cat sneezes. One day a black cat entered the flour warehouse. Many rats lived there. The cat thought happily, "This place is great for me. You will get plenty of food every day." She started thinking of a way to catch the rats. He thought of hiding and waiting for the rats to come out. She waited from morning till night. But he did not see any rat. Actually, rats were also very smart. Used to leave with great care. Night had come up. The cat was in bad condition due to hunger. He thought that now the rats will have to be caught by deception. That's why she lay down on the ground after seeing an empty space. The cat was pretending as if it was dead. A little mouse saw him and said, "Look at that, a dead cat." Saying this, he ran towards the cat. But an old mouse stopped him. "Wait, don't go near him like this. Do you know that cats have a very long lifespan? This cat is very fat and fresh. She will die like this." He climbed onto the pile of sacks kept near the cat and started cutting the sack of flour kept at the top. Suddenly a lot of flour fell on the cat. The cat still did not move. But she could not control herself for long, because the flour had entered her nose. He sneezed loudly and a white cat came out of the dough. All the mice said, "Run, run, the cat has come." The end. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button to watch new interesting stories every day. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.